Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you how you can make desktop shortcuts in Windows 11. To begin with, simply click on the start menu icon, then click on all. Now select the app holding the left mouse key and drag it and drop it to your desktop and the shortcut will be created. Now repeat the same steps for the apps you want to create the shortcut. In the next method, you see so many apps listed here. If you want to create a shortcut, simply right click over that app and click on open file location. From here, right click over that icon, click on show more options, then click on send to, and from here select desktop create shortcut, and the shortcut for that specific app will be created. Now repeat the same steps for every app you want to create the shortcut for. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.